What's up, everyone? Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, welcome to this video. I have an unboxing for you. This is the ASUS ROG Ally X. One of the reasons why I got this, I said I'm not getting it, I got this, is because it seems like everything, I wouldn't say everything, most things are moving towards this mobile style of gaming, right? Like Microsoft has a service, Xbox Game Pass, where you can stream games, things like that. So right, but it seemed like they're implementing this in like everything, right? I heard they were talking about having a controller that can hook up to your TV and you can play through your TV like that. So that's in motion, kind of basically like what Nintendo has done with the Switch and the Switch 2, where you can kind of take your gaming wherever you want to go. And it's like I'm not a big mobile play games on my phone type of guy, but like console style games on like a handheld like this, I'm interested in it. I've seen a lot of reviews and things on this. I'm definitely like, all right. And another thing I like about this is that if you have an Xbox, right, and you download your games to the system, one of the things I think is just very convenient that games you download, you can download them on your PC and play them on PC and pick up where you left off. I think that's pretty cool, you know what I mean? So you don't lose anything. And this is basically a Windows device that's handheld based on, Windows. You can play games. So a lot of the Xbox games that I downloaded, I'm going to play on this. I got the ROG Ally X, as you can see. Let's get to this unboxing. I was really up in the air, right? I was really shopping around for a I was stuck between the white one and the black one. I lean more towards the black one because tech always look better to me in black. You know, that's just a personal preference. Um, so I was looking for deals for the white one where I wanted the kind of same specs, but the black one comes with more RAM, more storage, all that stuff. So it was like, yeah, I kind of gotta go with this one. So, all right. What? All right. I don't know where to pick it up at. All right. New plastic smell. Uh-oh. Sticky. All right. Okay. Now, I can't compare it to the first version, so I can't really say if it feels better or anything like that. So, but I see the difference in these buttons. Like in the original one, they were much larger. These are more compact, I guess. Because this one comes with either a 1 terabyte or 2 terabyte. You can upgrade the SSD in here to 8. I don't have that many games to be downloading, but having extra space is always welcome. And what else is in here? What the? Yeah, and we have a power brick here is trying to see the wattage. Oh, 65 watts. I'm a little disappointed that this is connected and not like a USB-C where you can plug in and out. And yeah, but I mean, yeah, a little disappointed with that. I prefer it if it was like not connected. So, like if the cable were back, I could just swap out the cable. You know, I like options. I like options. I like options. Okay, well, what else we got here? I guess a booklet. Yeah, so. All right, get in there. Yeah, I mean, feels comfortable to me. I like the triggers, buttons. It kind of reminds me of the Xbox controller layout, as far as where the D-pad is and the other analog stick is. So, let me go on, set this bad boy up, and you know, play with it for a few weeks and see how it all holds up. Republic of Gaming. So that's what ROG stands for. All right. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this unboxing, subscribe for more. Also hit that like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And thanks again for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.